What's up, guys, and happy Friday. I got here a pack of 2020 Topps Heritage Baseball high number. 9 cards total. Let's rip this open and see what we can find. There are some good possibilities. Dellin Betances, C.J. Cron, leading the Rockies, I do believe, in home run and RBIs. World Series highlights. Pittsburgh Pirates, Franklin Barreto, all right, relatively unknown names other than C.J. Cron. I do know Cole Calhoun. All right, there it is. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe.